Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you the automated email alert that you get when you log in into your ImmiAccount account. Definitely you can change your preference, but I would highly recommend you keep this alert on. The reason is nowadays cybercrime and other things have gone to a very high level, so it's really important that you stay alert, and especially when it comes to some legal transactions like a visa application, you need to know what is going on. So with this alert, what happens is, like, whenever somebody logs in, you come to know. Definitely if it's your account, in general cases you don't want to share it with others, right? But what if somebody gets access to it? They can misuse this information. So if you have this alert enabled, then you know that what's happening. So this is how it comes, like successful login notification. So the profile to the two your name comes, first name, last name, username is going to be your email address, and it also shows the time. So this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. Thanks for watching.